The third new model in Mazda's architected ascent into the premium market has been unveiled. This is the 2023 Mazda CX-90. A shift is officially underway at Mazda. While the new 2024 CX-90 would appear to be a mere replacement for the existing CX-9 3-wow SUV, this new model represents a bigger change in terms of its underpinnings, its powertrains, and its appointments. A new 340 horsepower inline-six and a larger footprint take Mazda's SUV lineup into a new realm of power and size. And the CX-90's design and available features lend even more credence to the brand's premium aspirations. The CX-90 supports a new range of electrified powertrains, including a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six with 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque that also includes a 48-volt hybrid system. There's also a plug-in hybrid setup that produces 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque with a 2.5-liter inline-four gasoline engine and a 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The CX-90 is longer and wider than the CX-9, providing extra interior room for all 3 rows. Mazda will offer 3 different seating configurations with space for either 6, 7, or 8 passengers. There also appears to be more cargo space behind the third row than before, and the rearmost seats fold flat into the floor to expand the cargo area.